हमारा इसमें टेक्स्ट में या गुरु का जो ज्ञान में वो अभी भी है। इसको लोटस माउंटेन में माना जाता है, विच इज़ आप देखिएगा ये जो सेंटर है जहाँ पे संगपेरी जो बना है मोनास्ट्री, वो सेंटर ऑफ द माउंटेन है। जो सराउंडिंग है पूरा ये लोटस शेप में है, और बीच में जो है वो जो आपका होता है ना बीच का जो लोटस का सीट जो आता है वो बीच में ये मोनास्ट्री बना।
Escape to Rupa, a tranquil haven in the Himalayas, where nature's splendor and ancient traditions blend. Explore the scenic trails, monasteries and villages in and around Rupa, and witness the Shertukpan people's deep devotion to Asu Sungkhit, their revered guardian deity. The Sacred Lotus Mountain and the revered Four Jewels. Vibrant celebrations of culture and nature with masked dances and traditional music that pay tribute to the land and its people. The 22 feet white marble Buddha statue at Siddharth Buddha Park in Rupa is a notable landmark. The Blabshar Mountain Trail is a sacred site for the Shertukpan people, where nature and spirituality converge, reflecting their profound respect for the land and its divine presence. Zerchi Gombu Po, a revered mountain deity. Spring water cascades into a breathtaking waterfall known as Virong, and experience the breathtaking beauty of the newly discovered Yuo Tha waterfall at Kacham. Nyangmukhi, meaning Eco Mountain, offers breathtaking views and a chance to experience the stunning beauty of Little Mount Meru. Sher Singh Crow, meaning Holy Cave, is revered by the Shertukpan people as a sacred wish-fulfilling cave, a belief steeped in centuries-old tradition. The Buddha Heritage Park at Yokmuzor in Mushak Singh village proudly features a majestic 90-feet statue. Despite the passage of time, the Shertukpan people remain deeply rooted in their traditional beliefs and practices. Shertukpan people is committed to ecotourism, ensuring that your visit contributes to the conservation of the region's natural beauty and supports the local community.